very much, candidate number 9. And I think all of us can understand actually what she uttered. So, it's glad for us to have her interpreter also para malaman natin kung ano ang sinabi niya. And here it goes.
He said, ladies and gentlemen, that our journey of 1,000 miles is a journey from your beginning. Therefore, be contented in what you have and be contented in God gave you. La medida de amor a la mercy medida, that the true measure of love is to love without measure. This is Omelie Santiago, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, the one and only Miss Lucy Torres. Naniniwala po sa kasabihan, titiman po ako sa inyong paningin. Bakit di niyo ako subukang mahalin? Pag hindi kayo lumigaya sa aking piling, saka niyo ako limutin. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 9.
Thank you so much, guys. Actually, gugutom na daw po siya.
So, yun ang huling utter niya po ay nagugutom na siya. Thank you very much, candidate number 9. Moving on to our candidate number 10.